35 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0 0, 4 times 1 4, 4 times 2 8, 4 times 3 12, 4 times 4 16, 4 times 5 20. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 4 24. 4 goes into 3 how many times? 4 goes into 3 0 times. 0 times 4 0. Subtract 3. Bring down this 5. 4 goes into 35 how many times? Look, 4 times 9 36, which is greater, so we need to consider 8 times. Right, 8 times 4 32. Okay, subtract, you are getting, take away 2 from 5, you are getting, now you have 3. So our answer is 0 8 means 8, remainder 3. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then place here decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first 0, but before the 0 there is a decimal must come to the question directly. 4 goes into 30 how many times? 8 times 32, which is greater, so 7 times actually. 7 times 4 28. Subtract 2, bring down another 0. Now you have 20. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 5 times. 5. 5 times 4 20. Subtract 0. So our answer is 8.75.